Basil is one of the warm season herbs that have a distinctive scent and flavor. Collecting basil seeds from a favorite variety will ensure you get that same taste and cultivar. It's an easy, economical way to grow basil year after year. Collecting basil seeds from a favorite variety will ensure you get that same taste and cultivar. It's an easy, economical way to grow basil year after year. To collect basil seeds you have to let the flowers form and turn brown. You will notice in the center of the cluster of basil leaves a small flower beginning to form. Once the basil flowers, you need to wait around 4 to 6 weeks for the flowers to go brown. You will soon see flowers. As the flowers mature, the petals will drop. The carpels that remain attached to the bloom stalks contain the developing seeds. These little pods dry up and turn brown as the seeds mature. When the seeds are mature, you can simply strip the brown carpels from the bloom stem and crumble them between your fingers to release the seeds. Basil seeds are black and very tiny. Once you have the seeds, you need to store them properly. Place the dried seeds in a glass jar, and put the jar in the freezer for a couple of days to kill any insect pests. Label your varieties. Always ensure that there is no air in the container and store the seed in a cool, dark place. Basil seeds that are completely dry and kept in a dry and dark location should be viable for up to 4 years after collecting. Collecting your own basil seeds is a great way to keep your herb garden flourishing and ensure you have plenty of future crops year after year. So why not take advantage of all the free seeds that your basil plants give off at the end of their season? Happy gardening!